Welcome to Oil and Gas Insight and welcome to this video series on HAZOP. Today we are diving into fundamentals of HAZOP, what it is, why it's important and where it is used. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is perfect starting point. HAZOP stands for Hazard and Operability Study. It's a structure and systematic technique used to identify potential hazard and operability problems in industrial process. Originally developed for chemical plants, HAZOP is now applied across various industries to enhance safety and efficiencies. Historically, HAZOP was developed in 1960 by a chemical industry. Uh, why HAZOP is important and what may be its objective? Basically, HAZOP is a proactive hazard identification approach because it identifies risk before they lead to accidents. Its second importance is it improves the process safety. It ensures the compliance with safety standards, and its third importance is that it enhances the operability. It detects the inefficiencies and operational bottlenecks, and it helps to meet the legal and industrial specific requirements for regulatory compliance. The main objective or goal of HAZOP is to ensure that industrial system operates safely and efficiently. By identifying hazard proactively, companies can prevent accidents, save cost, and comply with regulatory standards. HAZOP is applied especially in oil and gas processing plants, and not only in oil and gas processing plant but entire oil and gas sector, upstream, downstream and midstream, uh, uh, drilling and refining, in pipeline operations, and chemical and petrochemical plants where chemical reactions analysis and plant design, in pharmaceutical plants where it ensures the safety and consistency of manufacturing process, power plant, uh, where risk management in thermal and nuclear power plants, and renewable energy plants. Uh, Further, it is used in food production units or food production plants where quality assurance and process safety uh, is maintained. Water treatment plants, safely handling the treatment process. HAZOP is a widely used in industries. To sum up, HAZOP is a vital tool for identifying hazard, improving process safety, and ensuring operability. It's applicable across a wide range of industries, making it a cornerstone of modern industrial safety practices. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will explore the key terminologies and concepts you need to understand before diving into the HAZOP process. Please do not miss it. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell.